Welcome to Beekeeping 101 with Mr. Schultz. Today we are going to be showing you a video of adding feed. We're going to add two types of feed, pollen patties and what we call bee syrup or bee feed. Okay, so the liquid that we talked about before. So I'm going to take the inner cover off. I've taken the outer cover off already, right here. And remember propolis. Bees like to keep things together. Let's show you the inside. Oh, look at that. Bees are happy. I have one pollen patty already in there. You can see that they've been busy eating the pollen. All right. So we're going to do something a little bit interesting here. We're going to take off this paper. Paper was a moisture barrier. Not sure if it worked or didn't work, but and then we're going to move the pollen patty over to the middle of the hive so that we can take the feeder out. And we're going to add another pollen patty. Oh wow, they are just going crazy with this pollen patty. So we're going to put that run right over here. So they continue to go crazy on that one. And we'll take this tray feeder out. And we'll fill it up with some honey, some feed. So to do that, I'm going to prop it right against the hive like that. I'm going to grab my bee feed, open it up. And going to carefully try to fill up like that. There we go, we got it. Oops. Now these are pretty deceiving. They'll actually take almost a full jug. There we go. So you can see the jug is full, and there's a little trays. I'll show you one of those in my other bee feeder, so the bees can crawl down and grab the feed. Put that on the outside. Put it the same way that it was before. Bees are particular that way. And gently put it back in there. And the bees will discover that. And one more thing, and then we'll end this video. I'm going to grab some pollen patties. Should keep the video facing that way. And we're going to add a pollen patty, maybe right here. There we go, guys. Enjoy. Remember, be wise to the environment and help the bees.